Damn.
Is he even pointed towards us?
No.
So anyway, we're doing the Brooklyn Monster Ale, which I think is kind of caramely and pretty sweet. Letha, you're saying it's bitter?
It's kind of bitter, but it's so strong. Everything about it, like, as soon as it hits your tongue, it's strong. The aftertaste is strong. The smell is strong. It's just really intense.
When I first started sipping this fine beverage, it was very sweet with some hoppy undertones, but as it gets warmer and warmer, it gets very bitter.
Just tell him about the caramel apple.
It's not caramel apple.
It was apple cinnamon.
Apple cinnamon.
And it was wafting inside of him.
When the beverage was first placed in my protection, I smelled apple cinnamon. Putting that out there.
Yeah, I give it a 3.5.
I like it as much as I like the Anchor. I'm giving it a 4.
So you?
I haven't decided yet.
I want to decide quickly, because we're being video taped.
Hurry up.
3.75.
3.75 it is.